Hello students, welcome to the video class of the chapter trigonometry. To refresh our minds, let's do Brahmanath. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Dear students, today we are going to discuss some more problem related to compound angle, multiple angles, submultiple angle. Okay, in last class we discussed the problems related to multiple angle, submultiple, compound angles. Now let's discuss more problems based on that concept. So the question is, if sin theta plus sin phi is equal to A, cos theta plus cos phi is equal to B, then show that sin theta plus phi by 2 whole divided by A, cos theta plus phi divided by 2 by B, sin theta plus phi divided by 2 is equal to divided by 2 whole divided by A square plus y. This is the question. Okay. Now given that is solution, here solution. So solution question number 1, given sin theta plus sin phi is equal to what? A, and this is equation 1, cos theta plus cos phi is equal to B, then equation 2. Now what? Sin theta plus phi divided by 2 whole divided by A, and this is what? This is equal to sin theta plus phi divided by 2. A means what? A means here, that is sin theta plus sin phi. Okay. Now this is equal to what? Again this is sin theta plus sin phi by 2. Apply sin C plus sin D formula here, that is 2 sin theta plus phi by 2 into what? Cos theta minus phi by 2. So sin theta plus phi by 2 here and here goes cancel, that therefore what? Therefore that implies what? Sin theta plus phi divided by 2 whole divided by A is equal to, that is 1 by 2 into cos theta minus phi by 2. Okay, so this is suppose equation I. Again that is cos theta plus phi by 2. Again what here? Cos theta plus phi by 2. Again here, again find cos theta plus phi by 2 whole divided by B, which is equal to what? B means cos theta plus cos phi. So B means what? Cos theta plus cos. So cos theta plus phi by 2 whole divided by B means what? B means cos theta plus cos phi. So apply CD formula, cos C plus cos D formula. So that is equal to what? That is equal to cos theta plus phi by 2 whole divided, that is 2 cos theta plus phi by 2 into cos theta minus phi by 2. So cos theta, this term goes cancel, and this is what? 1 by, that is cos, that implies cos theta plus phi by 2 whole divided by B is equal to here 1 by what? 2 cos theta minus phi by 2. Suppose this is double I, equation double I. Again here, what is sin theta? Sin theta plus 5 by 2 divided by a square plus b square. Okay, so this is equal to what? This is equal to sin theta plus 5 divided by 2 here, and this is what? This is equal to sin square theta. One means what? A square plus b square means what? Sin theta plus sin phi whole square plus cos theta plus cos phi whole square, which is equal to what? Which is equal to sin, this is equal to what? Sin theta plus 5 by 2 whole divided by, this is sin square theta. I open this, or sin, take sin c plus sin d formula, open this. So sin square theta plus what? Sin square phi, or you may use sin c plus sin d formula, that is 2 sin theta plus 5 by 2, and here cos theta minus 5 by 2 whole square plus what? Plus cos theta plus cos phi, cos c plus cos d formula, that is what? 2 cos theta plus 5 by 2 into what? Cos theta minus 5 by 2. The question may be here, may be changed, because it is so sin theta plus 5 by 2 into what here? This is 4 sin square theta plus 5. This is sin square theta plus 5 by 2 into what? Cos square theta minus 5 by 2 plus 4 cos square theta plus 5 by 2 into this is equal to what? This is cos square theta minus 5 by 2. Cos square theta minus 5 by 2. So here take common here, that is sin theta plus 5 by 2 divided by, take common here, that is 4 sin square theta, here take common here 4 cos square, what? 4 cos square, this common here, 4 cos square theta minus 5 by 2 into what? Into this is sin square theta, this will be 1. So this is what? This is 1, and the final answer is what? This is 2 cos theta minus 5 by 2. This question will be what? This question will be, and this is what? Now the question, this question is typing error here, that is what? 2 cos theta minus pi by 2, theta minus pi by 2, this is typing error. Okay, so now third term is what? Now this is what? The question is correct, please correct the question, that is material. Now question from material, that is what? Page number 21, question number x bit. Make correction. So this is what? Correct here, 2 cos theta minus pi by 2 divided by a square plus b square. So this is what? 2 cos theta minus pi by 2, and this is what 2 cos theta minus pi by 2. Make correction. So this is 2, the typing error here. So 2 cos theta minus pi by 2. This is what 2 cos theta minus pi by 2. Again this is what 2 cos theta minus pi by 2. Okay, here so 4 cos square theta minus pi common here. Here sin square theta plus pi by 2 plus cos square theta plus pi by 2. So sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1, and cancel this, one term cancel here and 2 cancel, 1 by 2 into what? This is 1 by 2, 2 4, that is 2 into what? Cos theta minus pi by 2, and sin square x into cos square x equal to 1. So this is what? This is this is the value of 2 cos theta minus pi by 2 divided by a square plus b square. This is the, so this is equation triple I from I triple I sum from I double I double I and triple I. We get that is what? Sin theta plus pi by 2 divided by a is equal to cos theta plus pi by 2 by b is equal to 2 cos theta minus pi by 2 divided by a square plus b square. This is proved. This is proved. Okay. So so please make the correct the question here. Here this will be what? 2 cos theta minus pi by 2 divided by a square b square. So this is typing error in the material. So kindly or please check the question and correct it. Now another question. Now solution of question number 2, left hand side. Solution of question number 2, left hand side, cos a plus cos b divided by sin a minus sin b whole to the power n plus sin a plus sin b divided by cos a minus cos b whole to the power n. Now apply CD formula here. So this is 2 cos a plus b by 2 into cos a minus b by 2 whole divided by 2 cos a plus b by 2 into sin a minus b by 2 raised to the power n plus here this is what 2 sin a plus b by 2 into cos a minus b by 2 whole divided by what? Cos c minus cos d minus 2 sin a plus b by 2 into sin a minus b by 2 raised to the power n, raised to the power whole raised to the power n. So 2 cancel here, 2 cancel, cos a plus b by 2 cancel here, here that is what? Cos by sin, that is cot what? Cot a minus b by 2 square to the power n, and 2 cancel here. So this is minus cot and sin cancel here. So minus cot a minus b by 2 whole raised to the power n. Here case 1 case 1, if n is even, if n is even, so this is equal to what? Cot n a minus b by 2 minus 1 whole to the power even number, that is plus. For even this is plus, so cot n a minus b by 2, that is equal to what? 2 cot to the power n a minus b by 2. Now this is case 1. Now case 2. Case 2 is what? If n is odd, that is, suppose this is equation 1 or say expression 1, that is from 1. Again, if n is odd, then from 1, what happens here? That is cot n a minus b by 2 and minus 1 to the power odd means minus negative. So cot n a minus b by 2, this is goes cancel and this is 0, hence proved. This is and this is the required proved. This is and this is 2 cases here. Okay, for even this and for odd this proved. Now for another question. Given question number 1 complete, question number 2 complete. Now question number 3. Question number 3 given 1 minus e into 10 square beta by 2 is equal to 1 plus e into 10 square alpha by 2. To prove cos beta is equal to cos alpha minus e divided by what? 1 minus e cos alpha. It is now from given data 10 square beta by 2 is equal to 1 plus e into 10 square alpha by 2 by 1 minus e. Now left hand side cos beta is equal to cos beta in terms of 10 beta, that is what? 1 minus 10 square beta by 2 divided by 1 plus 10 square beta by 2. Now apply the value of 10 square beta by 2. So this is equal to what? 1 minus 10 square beta by 2 means what? 1 plus e 10 square alpha by 2 divided by 1 minus e and whole divided by, that is 1 plus e 10 square alpha by 2 divided by 1 minus e. Now simplify, just simplify it. What is here? LCM is 1 minus y 1 minus e and here also 1 minus e. So 1 minus e and this is what? Minus 10 square alpha by 2 minus e 10 square alpha by 2. This is what? Divided by 1 minus e whole divided by, same thing here, LCM 1 minus e. So this is 1 minus e plus 10 square alpha by 2 plus e 10 square alpha by 2. Okay, so 1 minus e goes cancel here, that is 1 minus 10 square alpha by 2, 1 minus here write 1 minus 10 square alpha, 1 minus 10 square alpha by 2 and take common here, that is 1 minus e, write this term nearer to this term and take e common here. Okay, so take e from, write this and this together, take common e, so minus e common, that is what? 1 plus 10 square alpha by 2. Same thing here, 1 plus 10 square alpha 1 plus tan square alpha by 2 and take minus c common here, minus c common, that is what, 1 minus tan square alpha by 2. So this is nothing but 1 here, and this is also we can write 1 here. So this is what, this is 1 minus tan square, this is minus here, that is what, minus 1 minus c common here, that is minus common, that is 1 plus tan square alpha, and this is what, 1 minus tan square, correct. Now we can write divide. What is our aim to prove? That is cos alpha. What is formula for cos alpha? In terms of tan alpha by 2. Okay, what is formula for tan alpha? What is formula for cos alpha in terms of tan alpha by 2? That is 1 minus tan square alpha divided by 1 plus tan square alpha. So divide numerator and denominator by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. So here that is what, 1 minus tan square alpha by 2 divided by 1 plus what, 1 plus tan square alpha by 2 minus e whole into 1 plus tan square alpha by 2 divided by 1 minus tan square alpha by 2 whole divided by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2 by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2 minus e into 1 minus tan square alpha by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. Now this is what, cos alpha, this is cos alpha, and this term goes cancelled, so minus e, and this is also cancelled, so 1 and minus e cos alpha. This is our required proof. Okay, cos alpha minus. Now another question, this is question number, suppose this is question number 4. If sin 4th by a plus cos 4th by b is equal to 1 by a plus b, then prove that sin raised to the 8 sin alpha to the power 8 aq cos alpha to the 8 bq is equal to 1 by a plus b whole cube. Okay, solution, that is proof. Given sin 4th alpha by a cos 4th alpha by b is equal to 1 by a plus b. Taking LCM here, that is here ab and b sin 4th alpha plus a cos 4th alpha is equal to 1 by a plus b. Now b into what, b into a plus b cos 4th alpha sin 4th alpha plus a into a plus b cos 4th alpha is equal to ab. Now multiply this, ab sin 4th alpha plus b square sin 4th alpha plus a square cos 4th alpha plus ab cos 4th alpha is equal to ab. So this is what, now arrange this. So this is what, write this term first. So b sin square alpha whole square, and write then this a cos square alpha whole square plus ab common here, take ab from this term and this term ab common. So ab common here, that is what, sin 4th alpha plus cos 4th alpha, sin 4th alpha plus cos 4th alpha is equal to ab. Okay, now this is equal to b sin square alpha whole square plus a cos square alpha whole square plus ab, and this is sin square alpha whole square plus cos square alpha whole square is equal to ab, clear. Now b sin square alpha whole square plus a cos square alpha whole square plus ab, and this is a square plus b square formula, a plus b whole square, that is what, a means sin square alpha, b means cos square alpha, a plus b whole square minus 2ab, 2 sin square alpha into cos square alpha is equal to ab, clear. So this is equal to a, that is b sin square alpha whole square plus a cos square alpha whole square plus ab into 1 minus 2 sin square alpha into cos square alpha. So is equal to what, ab here. So this is multiplied, and now b sin square alpha whole square plus a cos square alpha whole square multiply this plus ab minus what, 2ab sin square alpha into cos square alpha is equal to ab. So ab cancel here, and this is equal to what, b sin square alpha whole square plus a cos square alpha whole square minus 2b sin alpha into a cos alpha is equal to 0. Okay, this is 2ab and this is square. Okay, this is 2ab sin square cos square, ठीक. Okay, then a square plus b square minus 2ab formula, so a minus b whole square formula, तो b sin square alpha minus a cos square alpha whole square is equal to 0. That implies what, b sin square alpha minus a cos square alpha is equal to 0. Therefore this implies what, b sin square alpha is equal to a cos square alpha. That implies sin square alpha by a is equal to cos square alpha by b. We know from the ratio and proportion. What is the concept in ratio and proportion? Ratio and proportion. From ratio and proportion, if a by b is equal to c by d, then we can write what, a by b is equal to c by d is equal to what, a plus c by b plus d, a plus c by d plus o. So that implies what, by ratio and proportion, one proportion, sin square alpha by a is equal to cos square alpha by b is equal to what, sin square alpha plus cos square alpha divided by what, a plus b. That implies what, that is sin square alpha by a is equal to cos square alpha by b. This is 1 by a plus b, 1 by a plus b. Now sin square alpha is equal to what, compare this to this. So sin square alpha is equal to a by a plus b. Now compare this and this. So cos square alpha is equal to what, b by a plus b. Now left hand side, what is left hand side? That is sin 8 alpha. Left hand side, sin 8 alpha by aq, cos 8 alpha by bq. We can write sin 8 alpha means what? Sin 8 alpha means we can write, that is This is left hand side, LHS, left hand side. Okay, this is left hand side. So we can write here 1 by AQ into sin square alpha power fourth. Similarly, 1 by BQ into cos square alpha power fourth. Okay, then 1 by AQ sin square alpha means what? A by A plus B power 4, 1 by BQ here, and cos square alpha means what? B by A plus B power 4. So this is equal to 1 by what? AQ into A fourth by A plus B whole fourth, 1 by BQ into what? Into B fourth by A plus B whole fourth. So this cancel and BQ be cancel, that is what? A plus B whole fourth by LCM. So this is A plus B and 1 by A plus B whole cube, that is right hand side. That is right hand side. Okay. Then another question. If tan theta by 2 is equal to square root of A minus B divided by A plus B, tan phi by 2, then prove that cos theta equal to A cos phi plus B divided by A cos phi, A plus B cos phi. Okay. This is the question. So solution: given tan theta by 2, square root of A minus B by A plus B into tan phi by 2. Now cos theta, left hand side, cos theta is equal to what? Cos theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Now use the value of tan theta by 2, this values. So this is 1 minus tan theta by 2 means what? Square root of this square. So A minus B, root over cancel. So A minus B by A plus B into tan square phi by 2 divided by what? 1 plus A minus B by A plus B tan square phi by 2. Now just simplify it. Take LCM here, that is what? LCM A plus B. So A plus B minus A into what? Tan square phi by 2. Tan square what? Tan square phi by 2. Phi by 2 minus plus B tan square phi by 2 whole divided by what? Same concept, A plus B plus A, this bracket, so A tan square phi by 2 minus B tan square phi by 2 whole divided by what? A plus B. So A plus B cancel here. Now here this is what? Write A, that is what? A minus A tan square phi plus B tan square phi divided by A plus A tan square phi plus B minus B tan square phi. Okay, so this is equal to what? Take A common, A 1 minus tan square phi by 2 here. Phi by 2 na? Phi by 2. So phi by 2. Correct. Phi by 2 plus B common 1 plus tan square phi by 2. whole divided by a common 1 plus what 10 square 5 by 2 plus b common 1 minus 10 square 5 by 2. So divide numerator and denominator by numerator and denominator, short form of numerator nr, short form of denominator dr, by 1 plus 10 square 5 by 2. So this is equal to what? A into 1 minus 10 square 5 by 2 divided by 1 plus 10 square 5 by 2 plus b into 1 plus 10 square 5 divided by 1 plus 10 square 5. So b into this is 1 and this is what? A into what? 1 plus 10 square 5 by 2 divided by 1 plus 10 square 5 by 2. So this is 1 and plus b into what? 1 minus 10 square 5 by 2 divided by 1 plus 10 square 5 by 2. So this formula is what? Cos phi. So this is equal to what? A cos phi plus b divided by this is a and this is formula for cos phi. So b cos phi, that is right hand side. Okay. Question: if a plus b plus c equal to pi, then prove that sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c is equal to 4 sin a sin b into sin c. Okay. So proof is given a plus b plus c is equal to pi. Left hand side sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c. This type of question can be easily solved by applying CD formula and try to here take the common factor. That is the trick of this question. So first you have apply sin c plus sin d formula. Okay. So this is equal to what? 2 sin 2a plus 2b by 2 sin c plus sin d by 2 into cos 2a into cos 2a minus 2b by 2 plus what? Sin 2c plus sin 2c. Clear? So this is equal to what? 2 common and 2 cancel. So 2 sin a plus b, because 2 common and cancel. Similarly here cos a minus b, this is what? Sin 2c. What is sin 2c formula? That is 2 sin c into what? 2 sin c into cos c. Now a plus b equal to what? Pi minus c. So 2 sin pi minus c into cos a minus b plus 2 sin c into cos c. Now sin pi minus c is equal to what? Sin c. So 2 sin c into what? Cos a minus b plus 2 sin c into cos c. So this is what? 2 sin c common and this is cos a minus b and this is cos c. Now cos c is equal to what? C is equal to what? Pi minus 2 sin c and this is cos a minus b plus cos c means what? C is equal to here, C is equal to what? Pi minus of a plus b. We can write C is equal to what? Pi minus a plus b. So this is pi minus of a plus b. Okay, so this is 2 sin c into cos a minus b plus cos pi minus theta, means minus cos theta, minus cos a plus b. This is formula for what? Cos a minus b minus cos a plus b is what? 2 sin a into sin b. This is formula for 2 sin a into sin b. So 2 sin c into what? Sin a into sin b. This is 2 here. So 2 sin c, and this is formula for what? This is formula for 2 sin a into sin b. That implies what? 2 into 2, that is 4 sin a into sin b into sin c. This is right hand side. Okay, this is right hand side. Now another question. Now the question is, if a plus b plus c equal to pi, then show that cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c plus 1 plus 4 cos a cos b cos c is equal to 0. Okay. Now left hand side, cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c plus 1 plus 4 cos a into cos b into cos c. Now apply the formula here, cos c plus cos t, and it is 1 plus cos 2 theta formula. 1 plus cos 2 theta formula. So this is equal to 2 into cos 2a plus 2b by 2 into cos 2a minus 2b by 2, and it is 1 plus cos 2 theta formula. What is 1 plus cos 2 theta? 2 cos square theta. So 2 cos square c plus 4 into cos a into cos b into cos c. Okay, now this is equal to what? 2 cos, 2 common here, cancel. So 2 cos a plus b and cos a minus b plus 2 cos square c plus 4 cos a into cos b into cos c. So this is what? Now this is equal to 2 into cos, this is pi minus c. A plus b means what? This is a plus b plus c is equal to pi. This given data is a plus b plus c. So pi minus c here. This is given that what? A plus b plus c is equal to pi. A plus b plus c is equal to pi. So pi minus c into cos a minus b plus 2 cos square c plus 4 cos a into cos b into cos c. Now cos pi minus c minus cos c. So minus 2 cos c into cos a minus b plus 2 cos square c plus 4 into cos a into cos b into cos c. Now take common 2 cos c, take common minus 2 cos c. So this is what? Cos a minus b minus cos c plus 4 cos a into cos b into cos c. Now this is minus 2 cos c minus 2 cos c and into cos a minus b, and this is what? Cos of pi minus of a plus b plus 4 cos a into cos b into cos c. So this is minus 2 cos c minus 2 cos c and cos a minus b cos of minus theta is equal to minus cos theta, so this is plus cos A plus B plus 4 cos A into cos B into cos C. Now this is formula for 2 cos A cos B minus 2 cos C, and this is formula for 2 cos A into cos B plus 4 cos A cos B into cos C. So 2 into 2, that is 4, so minus 4 here cos A into cos B into cos C plus 4 into cos A into cos B into cos C. So plus 4 cos A cos B cos C minus 4 cancel, so 0 is equal to the right hand side. 0 is equal to the right hand side. Okay, now these questions are very very important and easy also. Clear? Now another question. If A plus B plus C equal to pi, prove that sin A plus sin B minus sin C is equal to 4 sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2. So left hand side first given, that is proof, given A plus B plus C is equal to pi. Left hand side sin A plus sin B minus sin C. Right hand side, that is contains A by 2 B by 2 C by 2 form. So apply CD formula. So this is 2 sin A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2 minus sin C. So this is 2 sin, we know A plus B plus C is equal to what? A plus B plus C is equal to what? Pi. Then A plus B is equal to what? A plus B is equal to pi minus C. So A plus B by 2 is equal to pi by 2 minus C by 2. Pi by 2 minus C by 2. So this is sin pi by 2 minus C by 2 into cos A minus B by 2 minus sin C. So this is 2 cos C by 2, and this is cos A minus B by 2, and this is cos C by 2, but here sin C. So this is minus 2 sin C by 2 into what? Cos C by 2. So take common 2 cos C by 2. 2 cos C by 2 common. Here cos A minus B by 2 minus what? Minus sin C by 2. C by 2 is equal to what? Pi by 2 minus A by 2. So this is 2 cos C by 2, and this is cos A minus B by 2, and this is sin what? Pi by 2 minus A plus B by 2, because A plus B plus C is equal to what? A plus B plus C is equal to pi. So A plus B equal to pi minus C. A plus B by 2 is equal to pi by 2 minus C is equal to A pi minus A plus B, and C by 2 equal to pi by 2 minus A plus B by 2. So this is 2 cos C by 2 and cos what? A minus B by 2, and this sin 90 minus theta, that is cos A plus B by 2. Okay, now this is what we can write also, that is 2 cos C by 2 into cos A by 2 minus B by 2 minus cos A by 2 plus B by 2. This is formula for cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. So this is 2 sin A into sin B. A means what? A by 2. Here B means what? B by 2. So this is 2 what? 2 cos by C by 2. The question, make the question correction. Correct the question, that is 4 sin A by 2 sin B by 2 into cos C by 2 into what? Cos C by 2. Correct? Because here sin, that is cos C by 2 common. So this is what? The question is what? Cos C by 2. So 2 cos C by 2, and this is formula for cos A minus B minus cos A plus B, that is 2 sin A. A means what? A by 2. B means what? B means what? B by 2 here. So this is equal to 2 into 2, 4 sin A by 2 into sin B by 2 into what? Cos C by 2. This is the solution, the proof of the make the correction question. Correct the question. Sin A plus sin B minus sin C is equal to 4 sin A by 2 into sin B by 2 into cos C by 2. This is question from the material, page number 21, question number, page number 21, question number XIX bit. So this question is error in the material. This is typical error. So this is what? This right hand side be what? Right hand side be sin A by 2 sin B by 2, not sin C by 2. It is cos C by 2. Please correct it. Okay. Page number, that is page number 21, material page number 21, and question number XIX, bit XIX. So right hand side is wrong, that is right hand side should be what? Sin A by 2 into sin B by 2 into cos C by 2. Okay. Now these are the some problems are related to the multiple and submultiple angles. Now one homework for you, that is prove that if A plus B plus C is equal to pi, then prove that this is HOMA for you. If A plus B plus C equal to pi, then prove that sin square A by 2 plus sin square B by 2 plus sin square C by 2 is equal to 1 minus 2 sin A by 2 into sin B by 2 into sin C by 2. This is homework for you. Okay. These are some related, compound angle related, multiple angle related, and some multiple related problems. In next class we will do some more problems. Thank you. Have a nice day.